Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thumbs of all ages, Joshkan, Rock, and Lieutenant Brick. Folks, for the first time in years, it's time for one of the biggest events in the TWF history. The Royal Fumble Tag Team Championship. 4 wrestlers, 1 ring, unlimited crossing. Yes, indeed, Colonel. Tonight's match features 2 wrestlers from each team, and the winners will become tag team champions for an entire year. 4 wrestlers, 1 ring, unlimited crossing. As Colonel's losing it, I think we'd better head to the match. Ladies and gentlemen, in this corner, wrestling for the mighty Dexteras, 2 titanic champions of justice and heroism, a Dextera duo that's difficult to defeat. Maybe I'm tripping over words this time. Anyway, the Thumb who can win a match before either wrestler is out of bed, and the boy next door who gives it on him more. Adam Alarm Clock and Hometown Huck! Adam Alarm Clock is a tough cookie anytime he's in the ring, and with Hometown Huck's charm and agility on his side, it's gonna be hard to tear down the partnership they've built. Whatever they built, I will of course! Yeah, how's it going, Washington? All you clock workers in California, let me hear you scream! I'm gonna bring it home just for you. Arkansas, Orlando, and Louisiana! Oh, shucks, sure made me feel like one of Adam's daughter's strawberry cupcakes with chocolate icing. I tell you, Amy could give you, if Perry run for his money if given half a chance. But the Sinistras have got no chance against us, right, old Hucky old pal? 1040 you and them, they're going to be ringing louder than Tomcat screams that time a few weeks ago. Wait, what, you mean the time when Captain Esplanade dressed Tomcat up as a postman on the night of a full moon, causing Were Dog to bite him? The very same, partner! I don't think that's a very convincing argument. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Anyway, what's a team? And in this corner, for the evil Sinistras, a terrifying partnership of wickedness and woe, the insane master scientist and the ticked fucking playground bully, Dr. Brainenstein, and the big time! Folks, when a mad scientist and a playground bully put aside their differences and join forces, you know things are gonna get nasty. Especially with the brain-stroke-brawn dynamic they've got this time. Neither of them know true bully. I will show them true bullying. How I crush them! Oh yeah, I'm back, baby. How big am I? Big! And what time is it? And don't you forget it. And what time's it about to be? The big time! Yeah, big time, baby. Hear this, feeble Dexteras. I did not come all the way from my lab in Louisiana swamps to lose to you dumbcuffs. You inferior muttonheads will never know what hit you. Okay, Doc, time to bring the pain. Let's liquidate these losers. Whoa, folks, strong words from all 4 wrestlers, but now it's time for the match. Who will win? Who will be tag team champions? The suspense is crushing me. Dexteras, Sinistras, thumbs up, throw down! Lock 'em up! 4, 3, 2, 1, who will beat the strongest thumb? Surely you don't think you're winning this one, Mr. Brainenstein? How dare you, dumb cough! I did not spend 50 long years in medical school to be called Mister. Thank you very much. And by mocking Brainenstein's doctorate, Hometown Huck quickly finds himself on the ropes, restrained against the ropes, young Huck. You have no escape from me. Never count your chickens before they're out. Tap me in, Huck. I beat both these guys once and I can do it again. Yeah! Hey, what about me and my friends? We helped! Oh yeah, thanks, Amy. Anytime, Pops. Alright, you ever-educated twit. I have you now, Brainenstein. We'll see about that alarm clock. And Dr. Brainenstein isn't letting up. And an alarm clock and hometown Huck could be in trouble. No chance now. Oh, Brainenstein. Struggle your life, partner. You can't take out of this one. Don't count your turkeys, punk. Bummer. And here we go! Wow, this early in the match, and all 4 wrestlers are in on the action. 4 wrestlers, 1 ring, unlimited crossing, unlimited crossing. Take nuts! Advance! Round 1 is over and things are starting to boil over. Everyone wants the title and who can blame them? But in the end, there can only be 2 winners. 4 wrestlers, 1 ring, unlimited clashing! Colonel, that's all you've said so far this match. But they keep the unlimited clashing, what can I do? Okay, freaks, just us 4. No locker room brawls to save you this time. Technically we won the last one, despite the brawl. And that was only because we were playing fair. Not this time! Come on, Chico, that was a cue! Sorry, technical hitch. You'll need to stall them a little longer. Let's brawl! Whoa! A drone battle and the Austin Avalanche. There's a combination for you. Bah! Chico, are you nearly done yet? Just 1 way to go, boss! What are you doing? Cut the red wire, not the blue one, the blue one! Wait a daggone minute. What are they up to? Didn't one of the others have defense watch duty? Not I! Or me! That's my fault, I had a hockey match on and the big time thinks those 2 aren't paying attention. Not wrong, my muscle-minded friend. Got them! And history is repeating itself. Just like last time, the Sinistra struck when the good guys had their backs turned. Did you make sure the plus end went to the plus part and the minus end went to the minus part? That'll do it, huh? And as we enter the final round, the Sinistras are done in by their own attempt to cheat. 4 wrestlers, 1 ring, unlimited crushing. Oh, come on, partners, just give in already, partners. You think you'll tip the score in your favor? But that ain't nothing. I beat you pushovers once, and I can do it again. Tell me you didn't say what I think you said. You dissing the big time. No, this is the big time. Oh, I've had enough of this. Your turkeys. What time is it? It's time. And don't you forget it! You're about to hear turbo-timed Huck! No, not the time bomb, not the time bomb! He's winding up, no, he's counting down! 5, 4, 3, 2! Oh, crud. Where's your sense of sportsmanship? Oh no! The big time pins hometown Huck with the time bomb! It's all down to Adam now! You can do this. Looks bad, but there's still a chance. And so you're just a pin away from defeat, always trying to be the big man alarm clock. But from where I'm standing, you look pretty small. Then go on, finish it, pin me. The honor of my defeat is with you. Whoa, hold it here a minute. Did I hear you right? The righteous jerk surrenders? I do. Now I believe the moment is here. Then to which of you does the honor fall? He's right. Only one of us can pin him. And you'll be in the big time. What are you talking about? I was the one who came up with the game, and I was the one who pinned Huck. Alright, big time. You want this so badly? Take it! Whoa! I was not expecting that! Dr. Brainenstein unleashes his deadly signature move! The mechanized moral maneuver on his own teammate! Oh God, Mr. Planet! Don't forget about me, Brainenstein. I don't intend to alarm clock. Just you and me now. And yours time. Wrong. My timing's perfect. Time to stop your clock! Tick-tock goes the clock! Cradle, increase stroke! Tick-tock goes the clock! Time to knock out this sinistra! That it is, Colonel! And an alarm clock comes from behind to pin Dr. Brainenstein with the clock stopper! The Tick Starers win the TWF Championship! Alright, I am the champion! Yes, now, I'd just like to thank Amy, everyone at her school. Well, that was certainly a match for the ages, eh, Colonel? Really? He looked pretty young to me. Never mind, Colonel. See you next time, TWF fans!